Hello guys, welcome to Megalite YouTube channel, and for today's video we wan take time to review and compare Redmi Note 11 and Redmi Note 11X. Note 11 be like junior brother to the Note 11X, but they get almost everything in common. A quick unboxing of the two phones shows say they get the same packaging. If not be say they indicate for the packaging box say one na Note 11X and the other one na Note 11, I for not even fit know the difference. So I need to be very careful make I for not mix them up. If you hold the two phones for hand like the way I hold them now, you go fit almost not tell the difference between the two phones until you look the back of the phone and see the camera. For Note 11X they write 105 megapixel, and for Note 11 they write 50 megapixel for the back camera. The two phones come in the same color, star blue, twilight blue and graphite grey, and they get two speakers, one for up and the other one for bottom of the phone, and the two speakers for the two phones dey exactly the same positions for the two phones. Both their charging ports dey for the same position for bottom of the phone and a type C 2.0 charging port. As expected, the two phones dey use side mount fingerprint when dey the same side with the volume key. Now as for their display, no difference between the display of the two phones. Redmi company try hard to keep the balance here. AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate for the two display with 180Hz touch sampling rate. The display resolution na 2400 by 1080 pixel. The display dey very cool for phone like this, and it dey respond very fast and right on time. And make I no forget to add say the body of the phones dey share exactly the same dimension. The length, the height, the width, everything na exactly the same. Unfortunately, none of the phones dey support 5G network, so 4G network. 5000 mAh battery capacity for the two phones with Android 11 operating system. So wetin be the major differences between the Redmi Note 11 and the Redmi Note 11X? And if you wan buy this phone, which one out of the two na better pass to buy? The first major difference between the Note 11X and the Note 11 na their processor. Note 11 come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor, while Note 11X dey run on Mediatek Helio G96 processor. So Qualcomm processor for Note 11 and Mediatek processor for Note 11X. So if you be Qualcomm fan, shift come this side, and if you be Mediatek fan, then come this other side. The second difference between these two phones na their storage capacity. Note 11 get 4 variants. Two variants na 4GB RAM and the other two variants na 6GB RAM. But na only Note 11S get up to 8GB RAM variants. So 11S gets 3 variants. Two variants get 6GB RAM and this one last variant get 8GB RAM. So when it comes to the storage capacity, the 11X here gets edge over the Note 11. So for people wey depend on high-end games and applications, dem go mainly depend on the Redmi Note 11X instead of the Redmi Note 11. Then the third difference here na their camera quality. 50 megapixel for Note 11 and 105 megapixel for Note 11X. Just mainly looking at the camera itself of this Note 11X, you'll find that say the main camera bulge out past the other cameras when they're inside the camera frame. And when it comes to their performance, it is hard for untrained eyes to see the difference between these two cameras. You know, when I dey run the camera test, I even dey wonder which one better pass out of the two cameras, whether na Note 11X or Note 11. One difference when dey more easy to notice na the zooming. Both phones get 6x zooming range, but 11X retain more quality when you zoom in, like wetin you dey see for the screen now. For different camera settings and circumstances, you'll find out say Note 11S get a little quality pass Note 11. Audio from the front camera confirm the audio quality of the Note 11X. If it cancel more background noise past the Note 11. Hello guys, this is Megalite Unboxing, and with me here I have the Redmi Note 11 and the Redmi Note 11X. Hello guys, this is Megalite Unboxing, and with me here I have the Redmi Note 11 and the Redmi Note 11X. In all the camera tests when I perform, Note 11 come close to the Note 11X, despite say the difference in the camera quality in pixel dey big. And that one brings us to the last difference between these two phones, their prices. The four variants wey dey inside this Note 11 range between 99,700 naira to 116,700 naira. E dey equivalent to 14,937 India rupee and 16,430 India rupee for Flipkart. Then come to Note 11, e dey a little more expensive. The price range na between 125,900 to 139,500 in Nigerian naira. Now considering the difference when Note 11X dey pass Note 11, I expect the price range to dey way higher than the Note 11 own. But the difference in price to me no dey too much. So which of these two phones dey good to buy? Note 11 or Note 11X? Well, as for me, I be fan of Mediatek powered phone, and I wan make the Note 11S suitable for person like me. Well, I go recommend you stay with the phone when they run on the processor when you don't already know. If Qualcomm na your choice, then you fit stay with the Note 11. When it comes to the camera, you fit go with the Note 11X if you get the money or the budget. But 50 megapixel for the Note 11 not a bad idea though. And my conclusion for the two phones: for Redmi to come up with both Mediatek and Qualcomm and up to 7 different variants for the Note 11 series, show say the company get their users for mind. Na good idea though. I still like the design of the Note 11 too. Na big improvement to the Note 11X when Redmi released last year. Click this video for up here and it will lead you straight to the Redmi Note 10 unboxing and review. Click here to subscribe to my channel and tell me what you think about this video for the comment section for bottom. See you for my next video.